All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be doing something similar to what we did to my Audi wagon a few years back. Click up here if you guys wanna see that video. Same premise roughly. We are putting a cheapo beepo Amazon lip spoiler on the front of this thing just to kind of make it look a little bit different. We're going to pre-assemble this front spoiler. So luckily this is very easy to do. It literally just has 4 screws, 2 on each side, and they go into the back of these 2 pieces right here, the little fins for the sides of the spoiler. It's the exact same setup as the Audi wagon. It's literally identical. The only difference is it doesn't have little fins that kick up on the sides here. Thank God. That was kind of ricey. Here's the spoiler. Let's go mock it up on the car. All right guys, I remember how much of a bear this was on the other one. It is not simple. Now we can mock it up correctly. These 2, they were not stamped out at all. I kind of marked the center line of the front bumper, but well, to the best of my abilities. And my abilities aren't that good. Three-quarters of an inch-ish. And we're about an inch on, we're about a 1/4 inch off. Okay, now this side's an inch. I think that's what this side was. Inch in, it's like an inch and a 1/16. That's pretty lined up, honestly. All right, guys, the camera cut out. The GoPro actually got too hot, apparently, but here it is. I'm very happy that we threw some paint over this. I mean, you can see the spot right there, but the further you get away, like if you're over here, it's a lot harder to tell. The bottom of the bumper cover now looks better than the rest of the whole bumper cover. I would consider that a win. I honestly would. Uploads have been kind of hit and miss when it comes to when I'm actually uploading them. I just all of a sudden had a burst of content over this car because we had the turbo problem, and then we installed the new one, and that one took a shit, then we had to get another one, and then now we're doing the lip spoiler.
All right, guys, so this is my 3rd time filming this, okay? Catch me a little bit of a break. 3rd time filming this. So we are renaming SS Nest. It will no longer be called SS Nest. Actually, by the time you guys see this video, it already isn't called SS Nest anymore. And the reason for it, honestly, it's a combination of a few things. It's mainly due to what we do on the channel. I mean, when we made SS Nest, we pretty much made it based around the Monte Carlo in its entirety, right? It was the first car on the channel. It's the only car I had. And I was like, well, I'll just base it off of that. Now, if you guys have seen in more recent times, we don't really do much Monte Carlo content at all. We've done so many different types of content, I'm not sure if the name is very fitting anymore. We don't really focus on the Monte Carlo anymore in these videos. The channel isn't really based around the Monte Carlo anymore, the SS platform. We aren't really based around that anymore. We kind of do everything. It's kind of just what I have currently in my driveway, which is what will lead me into what I'm about to tell you guys. We are changing the name of the channel to Doug's Driveway. A little bit of a backstory on Doug. Doug was actually my nickname for over a decade at this point of my entire life. Doug has been my nickname, not D-O-U-G, D-U-G. And if you consider I'm not much older than 2 decades old, that's a pretty substantial portion of my life that I've been associated with being called Doug. So I was like, that's a really good idea. I think it rolls off the tongue nice. Me and my cameraman, who's also my cousin, who also made the channel with me, he actually helped me film the very first video on the channel. And honestly, over the span of the entire channel, has helped me with majority of the entire channel, whether it be filming or just asking him stuff about like his personal opinion, whatever the case might be. He's been involved like the entire time. So I figured I might as well ask him what his take is on it. It's kind of just whatever's in my driveway. It makes sense. You know, I don't really keep a car, besides the Monte Carlo and the Trans Am, I don't really keep a car necessarily too extremely long. So it's an ever-changing range of videos that we could be covering. It could be a truck, it could be a car, an American car, a German car. It could be a go-kart, a four-wheeler, a motorhome. It could be literally anything. A mobility scooter. That even made it into the videos at some point. I think it's a pretty cool change. I like it because it kind of ties back into my history personally. I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to miss the name SS Nest because it brings me back to all the old times when I made the channel and everything else. And I'm just, it's bittersweet a little bit because, I mean, I made that channel when I was 17 years old. So I just got my license damn near, and it's a little bittersweet, but I think the change is for the better. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that because those of you who have been on the channel for a while, if you notice the name's different, you might be like, whoa, what happened? Like, there was no announcement, no anything. Anyways, I'll stop yapping. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming over the channel. Obviously, the Audi's chin spoiler, it turned out pretty good, I'd say, for $65. Pretty damn good. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck around this long on the channel, thank you very much. There's more content coming over the cars we currently have and whatever might lie in the future. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see all of you in the next one.